Hi, welcome to my shop. This is where we make the Firefast Trekkers. This is an example of a near finished product here, and I'll take you through step by step. All right. First is to do the vertical hole in the handle. Turn on my drill press, and this is set up so that it'll make the hole in exactly the right place to exactly the right depth. Pump it a couple of times. The drill bit gets very hot because the wood is very hard. It's set to a specific depth, and now that's it. The vertical hole for the magnesium has been drilled.
Okay, so we're now to the next step in the process of making the trekker. And the next thing we have to do is we have to drill a hole through the wood, and what that's going to do, that's where we're going to put our paracord and striker. So we're going to turn the machine on. Like this. So we proceed to the next step, and that is we're going to use this iron right here, and we're going to stamp the name Firefast on the side of our fire starter. So again, I'm wearing a glove because this is hot. Straighten it out like that. And there we go.
The first step was to do the vertical hole where the magnesium is attached. The second step was to drill the hole for the paracord and attaching the striker. The third step is to put our trademark name on the side of the handle. The last step with the woodwork on the handle is to turn on the sander, and then we take the handle, sand the bottom, and then also sand the top so that you're not going to get any splitters or anything like that. Now, this is my shop insert of magnesium and flint, and of course this gets permanently attached here, and that would be a completed fire starter, but with the paracord and striker attached as well. And that's it.